Doğa Group represents over 20 corporate brands which add value to Turkey through powerful companies operating mainly in the fields of heavy industry and mining, real estate, enterprise and information technology, as well as well-established affiliates in the field of education. The Doğa Group took on a major role in the reconstruction of northern Iraq. With F&F Steel, the Doğa Group invested $200 million for a huge iron and steel plant in Erbil. The iron and steel plant covers an area of 400,000 square meters and employs modern, environmentally friendly technology. It has an annual production capacity of 600,000 tons of construction iron and employs 600 people. The return on investment will be achieved within 2.5 years. 90% of this investment is from within Turkey, and in the coming years, the investment will contribute $75 million to Turkey's exports through the import of labor force and consumables. Acting on the vision of adding value to the mining industry and Turkey's underground resources, the Doğa Group first began operating in the marble industry. With its cutting-edge technology and well-trained human resources, it began the high-volume production of block marble. Under the Turkamar brand, the Doğa Group increased its operations at home and abroad to become the foremost brand in Turkey. With the additional vision of investing in various ores in the mining industry, it has become an important and strategic Doğa Group sector. Doğa Investment has been serving in the areas of real estate investment, project development and management consulting, construction business, sales and marketing since 2010. As of today, within its construction identity, it has completed and delivered Doğa School's Ataşehir, Güneşli, Çekmeköy, and Gaziantep campuses. Within its investment identity, it will complete and deliver Doğa School's Çankaya and Etimesgut campuses in 2014. Construction of the open shopping mall project Mabeyn, developed in Mavişehir, İzmir, will begin in 2014 and will be completed within 24 months. The Doğa Group believes that our country needs more bold entrepreneurs. Through its angel investor mission, it supports companies with potential to open up to global markets, as well as entrepreneurs with business ideas in order to clear the way for entrepreneurs and provide new values to the country. It has provided private capital to many promising companies in their industries to help them gain a leading position and open up to global markets, including in education, Cyprus Doğa Koleji Campus, Şanlıurfa Doğa Koleji Campus, and Ondil, the Turkish distributor of Macmillan English language publications and materials. In sports, Let's Club, home to the Istanbul region's largest and most comprehensive recreation center. In health, Çınaraltı Health Services, which distributes MycaPro medical mushroom products in Turkey, and Doğa Hospital, which provides 24/7 services in Esenyurt with a specialized staff in all areas of medicine. In tourism, Hotel El Ruha, providing 5-star comfort in the center of Şanlıurfa with a capacity of 200 beds. In the food industry, Sade Organik, a company that distributes and markets 100% organic products. In film production, the film Halam Geldi and Doğa Production, both of which made a strong start to 2014. In restaurant management, Tumanji, serving world cuisine in an elegant environment. To Point Beef, serving the finest burgers and grilled meats. And to Abraham's Restaurant, with its magnificent view of the historic Urfa fortress. Under the name of Angel Investor, Doğa Venture has provided capital and management support to many enterprises with high potential for growth, including Fescom, established to offer high-quality toys and books for children at reasonable prices. Winvestate, offering corporate real estate stocks to investors with a model implemented for the first time in Turkey. Crushmania, aiming to be Turkey's first international social network and rapidly growing with members from 120 countries. Turşu, providing quality shoes at a reasonable price with its no-stock business model. And mobile game Gulyabani, which took a 4.9 rating in the Google Play market in 2014 and has a goal of 300,000 downloads. Doğa Informatics was established to provide products, services, and projects which will serve the needs of entities and individuals in the field of technology. In this capacity, Doğa continues to operate under the following brands: Zuma, digital and mobile marketing; Penna, software services and mobile solutions; İvme Technology, systems integrator solutions; İyi Bilir, online training services; Doğa Bulut, cloud technology; Doğa Telecom, telecommunications. Doğa Schools. Today, Doğa School serves 50,000 students with 5,000 qualified teachers and 84 campuses, 48 of which are in Istanbul. Opening its first foreign branch in northern Cyprus as part of its vision of embracing the world, Doğa Schools will continue with a branch in Dubai. Kültür Training Centers was established in 1979 in Beyazıt, Istanbul, and now serves 40,000 students at 87 branches, 25 of which are in Istanbul. Established in 1995, Fatih Training Center serves over 50,000 primary school students with 42 branches. Founded in 1997 and holding a 70% share of the foreign language training market, English Time has a total of 21 branches today. The Foundation manages and implements the Doğa Group's social responsibility activities in the field of education. Thus far, the Foundation has had 2 schools built in Şanlıurfa and provided scholarships to thousands of students. Doğa has begun work towards establishing a new university in our country as part of its mission to bring its experience and quality into the area of university education. Another of the Doğa Group's social responsibility projects, the Green Energy Project, supports specialized academicians in their work on renewable energy and energy efficiency. Doğa Nanobiotech was founded to support research and development in nanotechnology, biotechnology, and advanced technology materials production. The Doğa Group supports research and development of new generation wireless communication technology with the i5 brand in collaboration with Utah State University. With its corporate brands that add value to Turkey, the Doğa Group maximizes its synergy and motivation to move boldly into the future with sound investments.